Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Azhar Hamidi bin Fauzi. I will discuss a technical description. So, I choose a product about vacuum cleaner. So, the product I choose specific model is the Shimono SVC1020. It's a compact portable vacuum cleaner designed for effective and convenient cleaning, particular for home use. So basically, when you buy it, you can get all the set, such as vacuum cleaner, floor brush, bed brush, extension pipe. You get three and cursive, round brush, and of course, confirm stand. So for the key features is compact and lightweight design, easy to carry and store either for quick cleanups. Number two, strong suction power, powerful enough to handle dust, dirt, and small debris on various surface. Number three is multiple surface adaptability, work on both hard floor and carpet with specialized attachment for each. Number four is HEPA filter system capture allegations and fine particle provide a healthier environment. Number five is washable filter. Reusable filter make it economical and eco-friendly. For our target user, uh, we can use to household or individual in small apartment. People looking for a lightweight portable vacuum for everyday messes, either for those with pet and allergies, thanks for the HEPA filter. So the benefit when you use this kind of model, compact design with a strong suction ensure quick and effective cleaning. HEPA filter help reduce allergens. Then the washable filter and durability offer long-term saving. So my conclusion is this product is a reliable space-saving solution for everyday cleaning and you can put everywhere because it's small. Thank you for watching.